2 carbon arrows. There. Let me see here. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the unboxing because I don't really have to check it and see how you assemble everything, because I told you I don't know a lot about crossbows here. But I'm just doing an unboxing, showing you the equipment that comes in here. This is another package here with my nuts and bolts, so I have to read in on it to see how to assemble it. But I was just unboxing it, showing you what everything comes in with it. And here's a little adjustment of everything that comes in. A little itemized list here. See here, what else is here? Okay. Here's my quiver that holds the arrows. And everything comes in the box here. So you have this assembly here. And then something saying here you get a free upgrade right here. So she's kind of like a compact, you know, she's compact because she's not that big, but it's it was a nice setup, and I think I only paid like $3.99 with tax out the door. It was like $4.32, and it comes with like a halo scope on the top of it. It's a nice little setup here, but I'll come back and have another video where I have it all assembled, because I have to read up on it. Because like I said, this is the first crossbow I ever purchased, so I'm gonna have to come back, and when I have it assembled, I'll show y'all that. But this is my unboxing of my Barnett XP 400. When I come back, I'll have the video, have it assembled, and a little more knowledge of the product. Like and subscribe to Carlos Hall YouTube channel. You have a blessed day.